3 truths that come to light when you expand your consciousness. What you are seeking is seeking you, Rumi. I knew that I always liked this quote, without really knowing why. To be honest, for the longest time I never really understood what it meant. Then, everything changed. 1. Discovering the light. In Taoism, it is believed that the journey to enlightenment starts by turning the eyes inside out, and there is an African proverb that states when there is no enemy within, the enemies outside cannot touch you. As we have all learned by now, the way that view the world around us, is a projection of our inner world, and so our quest for happiness, enlightenment and satisfaction lies primarily upon filling ourselves with light and love in order to then radiate it into the world. Sadly, however, as a defense mechanism, we seek to avoid the inner work of illuminating the shadows in our minds and neglect doing what is necessary to reach an enlightened state. New Age spirituality, for instance, relies too heavily on focusing on the love and light aspect. When we seek out, search for, or try to attain this light, we are essentially chasing our own tails. This may be what Rumi was portraying when he made this statement. We become like dogs and cats spinning around in circles, all the while missing the point. Rumi, I feel, had a very good sense of humor. The point being, we are the light because we are awareness, and when we can increase our awareness, we expand our consciousness. That is, we make the unseen seen and bring unconscious thought forward into a consciously understandable level. You see, awareness is like a field of energy, awareness is in your whole being, awareness of itself is like a light inside. Do not imagine in as the sort of light you see, light and awareness is one of the same thing. My Agate Valjataga. 2. Reconnecting to unity consciousness. All is one. We are all one. We are all connected, and every man and woman is your brother and your sister. This isn't religion, this is science. While there are many interpretations of unity consciousness, and many perceptions to be had, today I will give you a glimpse of mine own. I am not asking that you believe it, I am not telling you to take it as the gospel. What I am going to tell is that this is my perception. This is what I saw when I found the light, when I projected out of my body and into the universe, and this is what resonates with me. The universe is sexual. The universe is playful. The universe is God. My physical body is the projection of my Creator because I am just a cell in its body. I see that the planets are also cells, and we are cells within those same cells. My aura is my protoplasm and my body is the nucleus. The entire universe is creation at all moments, cell multiplication, regeneration, death and rebirth. I see the Big Bang as the moment the sperm entered the egg. I see the Milky Way as the semen of the gods, and I see that I am a universe. Because I am capable of creating life, and I am part of creation, I am also a god. When we create life, we are creating a universe of cells with their own unique consciousness, no matter how small. I see that my soul is a spark in the night sky, a star, and when I leave my physical body and ascend into the heavens, I will shine bright for all to see. You and me. Every human being knows everything, as all that is needed to know is contained in the memory of their cells and the zero-point quantum field. The only problem is they have yet to discover how to read that field. My Agate Valjataga, Crete Rosin. Excerpt from Your Every Feeling Creates You. 3. The immortal foundation of the soul. It was once believed that a person cannot be truly considered a soul incarnate until it possesses pure and genuine compassion for others. I find this to be extremely poetic. Compassion, while it sounds like a simple and common word, it isn't always easy to attain and uphold a higher perspective. To put your ego aside and elevate yourself to a level of understanding which sees every being as a child. That is to say, we are all infants in the universe, and to rise above and take the high road, as they call it, takes an enlightened mind. A soul who has found the light within, and makes the conscious choice to be righteous in judgment, righteous in understanding and righteous love. Righteousness, to me, doesn't mean being right. It means showing love, compassion and understanding, no matter what you think is right. By L.J. Vanier, Team Spirit. Operator, if you like our article, give Conscious Reminder a thumbs up, and help us spread love light. Operator.